Hi everyone. Life is between B and D, which means birth and death. In between we have C. So C is nothing but the challenge. We have to face the challenges to get the success. So with this beautiful quote, I, Miss Aarti, welcome you all to this wonderful session. Yes children, here we go. So today I am going to teach you the division, the next part. In last video, I posted how to divide a number. So in that I taught you how to divide a number using long division. Today I am going to teach you how to divide a number with the repeated subtraction. Yes children, here we go. So division as repeated subtraction. Children, you all know multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Similarly, division also means the repeated subtraction. So division can also be done by repeated subtraction. So I am going to explain that division as repeated subtraction through this example. So kindly listen children. So Adi was given 8 chocolates. He takes 2 chocolates to school every day. For how many days can Adi take chocolates to school? Listen children. Adi was given 8 chocolates. In first day, surely he takes 2 chocolates to school. So 6 chocolates are remaining, right? On the second day, again he will take 2 chocolates. So 4 chocolates are remaining, right? So on the third day, in the 4 remaining chocolates, he will take 2 chocolates. Again 2 are remaining. On the fourth day, surely he will take again 2 chocolates. So the number of chocolates will end there. So listen children. So what is meant by repeated subtraction means we have subtracted the same number, right? We have subtracted the same number and we got some answer. So how will we get the answer? Listen. So the number of times we subtract the same number is called the quotient. So listen children, here we have 8. 8 is nothing but the dividend and 2 is nothing but the divisor and 4 is called the quotient. So how we got this quotient? So we subtracted 2 from 8 by repeated subtraction, right? So the answer is 4 here. We have subtracted 2 4 times. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have subtracted 4 times. The quotient we got is 4. So that is the answer here. So here we have another example children. So let us do that. How many times can 4 be taken away from 20? So here 20 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. So we need to find what is the quotient. So for that we have to subtract the 4 repeatedly. 20 minus 4. What is the answer we get? 16. Again we got 16 here. So we have to subtract 4 from 16. So again we got 12 here. 12 minus 4 is 8. We got 8 here. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, we have to subtract until we get the 0. Here listen children, how many times we have subtracted the same number? The same number is nothing but the 4 here. So we have subtracted 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have subtracted 4 5 times here. So what is the answer we got? 5. So the final answer is 20 divided by 5, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So 5 times we have subtracted 4 from 20, right? So 5 is the quotient and 5 is the answer. So the answer is, how many times can 4 be taken away from 20 means it can be taken away 5 times. So this is the answer, children. Now we'll move to the division facts. What I mean by division facts? Let us see about that. Fact 1. When we divide any number by 1, we get the same number as quotient. Let us see about this fact with an example. Listen. So, there are 12 students in a class. Each student sits at one desk. How many desks are there in a class? So, listen children, number of students is equal to 12. So, number of students at a desk. In one desk, one student can sit. So, therefore, the number of desks in the class is 12 divided by 1. It can also be done by the long division method. Listen, here 12 is the dividend and 1 is the divisor. In 12, how many ones are there? We know that 12 ones are there. So, 12 ones are 12, and if we subtract, we will get 0 here. So, the answer is 12. So, the answer is what? The number of desks in the class is 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12 desks. So, we need 12 desks to make the 12 children to sit. So, that is all the answer. So, what is the conclusion here? We divided 12 by 1 and we got the same answer, right? So, this is what the fact 1, children. Yes. So, listen, this is called the fact 2. When we divide a number by itself, we get 1 as a quotient. When we divide a number by itself, that means, for example, I am having 4, right? I am dividing that number by 4. So, the answer what I get? I will get 1, because in 4, how many 4s I have? Only 1 4. So, 1 4s are 4. If we subtract, you will get the 0 as a reminder. So, 1 is the quotient here. So, this is what? This fact. We will see this fact using an example. Listen now. So, if a box can hold 5 crayons, how many boxes are required to hold 5 crayons? Listen children. So, the number of crayons given is 5, right? So, 5 crayons are there. Number of crayons in one box. Okay, a box can hold 5 crayons. So, now you see number of boxes required is 5 divided by 5, because here the dividend is 5 and the divisor is 5, right? So, listen, dividend is 5 and the divisor is 5. In 5, how many 5s we have? Surely only 1 5. So, 1 5 is a 5. So, if we subtract, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So, this is called the quotient. This is called the quotient. So, 1 is the answer. What I said, if we divide a number by itself, we get 1 as a quotient. That is all this fact, children. So, we saw 2 facts here and I taught you how to divide a number by repeated subtraction. So, I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, children. Thank you. Bye.